How many things are you going to climb, Cameron? Hi, Wesley. What color is your hair?
I'm pink.
Yeah, and what are you today?
A girl? A girl. Wesley's a girl.
You are?
My name is... Mommy, tell me why I am. Tell me why I am.
You're Everett. You're a little boy.
No, it's Spider-Man.
Oh, you're Spider-Man. That's right.
Spider-Man. I'm Spider-Man. That's Spider-Man.
Cameron.
Okay.
Cameron. Hi, sweetheart.
Maria.
Well, hello, Leslie. How are you?
Maria.
Hi. Hi. I'm just taking a little video snippet.
Hi, Cameron.
Say hi, Aunt Leslie.
You look.
Say hi, Aunt Leslie. Aunt Leslie has Zachary.
Look how beautiful. Yeah.
Say Jinka gave me the dress.
You look gorgeous. Gorgeous. Even Zachary's like, yep, my cousin looks snappy.
Smile. Show me how you smile for the camera. Show me how you smile. How does Cameron smile, huh? Can you go by the wall? No, go by the wall. Over there. Go by the wall.
I can't cross this. Can I cross this? I can't. Hold on to your bracelet. Hold on to your bracelet.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Say Merry Merry Christmas.
How was the funeral when you were on?